I want to know about overnight oats. What type of oats? How do you make it? Because you can make this at home.
Absolutely, and I actually just saw something being sold recently that's done for you, but this is so simple and easy to do. I'm gonna take you through it. So I brought in here the oats, and these are rolled oats, so a whole grain like the superintendent was talking about.
Okay.
And now what I threw in were some chia seeds, a little bit of peanut butter and cinnamon, and a splash of vanilla. I have the milk here to the side, whichever milk that you're choosing to use.
That's flavor right there.
Yeah.
We've got cinnamon, vanilla.
Oh yeah,
You're not making it boring.
I'm going to tell you how to switch it up in just a second too. So now I'm just going to pour the milk in, and what it's going to do is the reason why it's called overnight oats, I'm going to seal it up and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator overnight, right? So now the next morning it's ready to go. So some people like to eat this cold, some people like to eat this warm, whatever your preference may be. But again, what we're looking at here is to let it sit so that the oats are a little bit more soft in the morning, and then again, it could be edible immediately if you like it cold. I personally like it a little bit warmed up, and so what I'm going to do the next morning, tomorrow, because I'm already making mine here, is I'll go ahead and add a little more milk in, and I'll just heat it for just about a minute in the microwave, and it's ready to go. And the great thing about it is portable.
This is amazing for on-the-go breakfast. So there's no excuse of whether it's your kids or whether yourself, you want to get a healthy meal. This is a healthy meal on the go.
You got it. And the thing that I didn't add in there, if you saw, Kathy, or noticed, was any added sugar. So this has natural sugar from the carbohydrates, whether it's from the milk or the oats. And then the way I left it simple today, but this is where you get to create your own version. And in that segment prior, it was showing different ways that you could make overnight oats. So now I could throw in some berries, right? Now I could throw in some banana cut up. It's whatever you choose for it to be. And as we're entering fall, maybe some cut up apples with more cinnamon, right? Again, now I have a different flavor. And so it's your way to create and make your own breakfast.
I love that.